So the topic allotted to me is Vat Prakrut Karma. So let us see this topic in detail. Before discussing about Vat Prakrut Karma, let us first see what do you actually mean by Vata dosh. So to begin with, we have the Vata dosh, and we know dosh dhatu mal are the fundamental factors of the living body. Rigveda states that when the three doshas, that is the Vata, Pitta and Kapha, remain in a normal state and undisturbed, then the body is at ease and there is no disease created. The Nirukti of Vata dosh is Tatra va gati gandhana yo riti dhatu. Here, Va word is concerned with movement and enthusiasm, which means the movement needed for union and separation is carried out by Vata dosh. Bela Samhita also describes that life continues as long as Vat is present in the body. Along with the mobile property, the Vat may keep the Pitta, Kapha, Mala and Dhatus functioning. This demonstrates that Vat can affect other doshas and the body's components. The Pitta, Kapha, Dhatu and Malas are dependent on Vata for their activity. The functions of Vata dosh are also observed in the nature in the form of movements of trees, movements of clouds, and other factors. We all know that Vata is responsible for movement. The movement in the body is a sign that life is present. Vata conducts all the gross and subtle physical movements. Now let us see the synonyms. Maharuta, god of wind; Chala, movement; Samirana, present everywhere; Mahabala, full of strength; and Pavana. Now the composition of Vata dosh. Vat has dominance of Vayu and Akash Mahabhut. Note that doshas prevail in every part of the body. Now the site. Prime site of Vata dosh is the large intestine, that is the Pakvashay. Structure of Vata dosh. Avyaktah Vyaktah Karmacha. Vata dosh is invisible but can be experienced from its function. Now let us see the subtypes of Vata dosh. We have Pranavayu, Udanavayu, Vyanavayu, Samanavayu, and Apanavayu. Now, have you ever wondered why only 5 subtypes are present and why not 6 or 7? Now let us see the Vata properties, that is Tatra Ruksha Lagu Shita Khara Sukshma Chalo Anila, which means Ruksha means dry, Lagu means light, Shita means cold, Khara means rough, Sukshma means subtle, and Chala means mobility. Now let us see the main topic, which is Vat Prakrut Karma. Tam Chalah उत्साहोच्छ्वास निश्वास चेष्टा वेग प्रवर्ततातेह. उत्साह, उच्छ्वास, nishvasa, chesta, and vega pravartana are the prakrut karma of Vata dosh. What is the meaning of utsaha? Enthusiasm and drive to do work is initiated by normal Vayu. Vayu controls the body's dynamics and mechanisms. All other elements are inert except Vata. When Vata propels and motivates the body's components, there is enthusiasm and energy to do work. This is a sign of life and life activities. Uchvasa and Nishvasa. Uchvasa means breathing in air. Nishvasa means breathing out the air. Both these are events of normal breathing pattern. When Uchvasa and Nishvasa are uninterrupted, the body is oxygenated properly. This is carried by normal Vata, mainly Prana, Udan and Vyan Vayus. What do you mean by Chesta? Sensory and motor movements, skeletal movements, organic and peristaltic movement, or transportation of any materials within the body, like circulation of blood, nerve conduction, etc., means Chesta. Vega Pravartana. Vega Pravartana, natural expulsion of natural urges created by the body, is carried out by normal Vata. The body urges are 13 in number. Few are listed below. Adho Vata Vega, Purisha Vega, Mutra Vega and Shavatu Vega. Trishna Vega, Shuddha Vega, Nidra Vega, and Kasha Vega. Few more are listed below, such as urge to yawn, urge to cry, and urge to vomit. Vegas are natural discharges which keep the body healthy and clean. They are motivated and mobilized by Vata. Now let us see why only 5 subtypes are present. Shishrut says that 5 subtypes are according to the 5 types of specific action occurring in 5 specific parts of the body. Some Ayurvedic scholars explain that in each subtype there is a predominance of one of the 5 primordial elements.